Good morning, all. Today discuss about the topic filtering. Filtering process is to have the smooth out of output of the rectifier circuit. One of the most common filter is the RC coupled or the network systems. Network system is sine wave method in half wave modifications waveform. Another one increase a uh, waveform of the after filter scheme of the ripple constant voltage variation of time used of the filtering conditions. So the used of the output of the easily sine wave method. And another one fully the center of rectifier use of the capacitor filter, filtering of the load connections. Loading connections of is connecting for diode and capacitors load across the resistive load conditions. On the two load the diode used of the first one of the diode is the used increases and flow the current of current of the capacitor is connected to the connected it across the load connecting is one of the on off conditions the diode. Another D1 on, D2 is off conditions, D1 on condition, D2 D off conditions is either connecting the load capacity of the filtering conditions. Capacitor filter output form of the load connecting for y-axis is the load voltage or the x-axis is time. Time is first one, T1 is the on conditions, time is on the T1 diode is on conditions is the increases, another one increases of for the filtering condition the output voltage is the increases. Next one either D2 is the off conditions. Off conditions the D1 D1 off conditions, another one the D2 on conditions. To the rectified of the voltage is the decreases on the output voltage is the increases of the value of filtering output the output. The effect of whether the output conditions in the filtering circuits is constant of voltage regulator is a constant voltage. Another capacitor filter used of the load conditions the increases value. The inductor filter is the first one the AC input, the input at a rectifier. Rectifier is the AC to DC is converted to output volt is across the connected for the inductor. Another one across the load connected is the output voltage. The rectifier is of the AC to DC is converted of voltage. Voltage inducting increases and increase through the current of the load connected the rectifier uses filtering for output voltage waveform. The rectifier voltage to the constant value. With the average load voltage is increases conditions. Is the use of waveform of the sine wave method output voltage conditions. Next one of the chart is the listen filtering conditions is connected to the capacitor. Capacitors flow current of the inductor to through the capacitor. Capacitor is across the load connected to the output. The filtering is the input value. A flow of the current load variation of voltage. VR is the voltage regulations output conditions. Pi type filter, another one the pi type the filter conditions output voltage average load conditions. So the rectifier voltage is the 0 volt and rectifier connections. Okay, without the voltage regulation conditions. So two circuit method the open circuit and closer without the voltage regulator used of the x-axis load current, y-axis the load voltage. Okay, thank you.